Come and sit down. That's a good lad. Hello, hi, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a little short sound demonstration video for you this morning for this drum here, which is currently for sale on our Etsy shop. Now this is a buffalo drum. It's on a 20-inch willow frame, and as you can see, it's got a lovely branch handle on there. That's a silver birch handle actually. On the inside of the frame, I burnt into the frame there the date of birth. That's to enable you to look at the astrological aspects, to create a birth chart and follow the transits, find out what's happening with the energies around for the drum for the day when it was born and thereafter. I've also put in there Driftwood Hollow Drums. You'll always then have a reference to where the drum originated from. So as I say, the purpose of the video really is for you to have a little listen. So let's do that now. I'm going to play with two beaters, a firm beater and a softer beater. Both give a slightly different sound, which hopefully you will be able to hear now for yourself. I'm going to start with a softer beater. Here we go. Something's vibrating in the room, sorry. I need to find out what it is. Sorry, Jen. That's it, we found what it was. It was this little piece of twig, which was pressed up against piece of wood, and it was vibrating. That's the power of the shamanic drum. The sound waves that are traveling around the room, which make things shake. It's amazing. You think about what that does to you. Okay, so I'm not going to cut that bit out of the video. I'm going to leave that in because I think that's a beautiful demonstration of the actual power of the sound vibration drum theory. Let's go again. Firmer beater. Beautiful long resonance as well. The microphone often doesn't pick that up, which is a shame because that's one of the most beautiful things about a shamanic drum. Playing a shamanic drum is allowing that sound to drift away, and it resonates on for seconds after you've finished striking. Okay, so this is an unusual video. We've had a few little hiccups, but I hope it's helped you to make an informed choice when you're deciding on which is the right shamanic drum for you. It always helps, I think, to meet me and to see the drum, hear the drum as well. So I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.